Hi guys, how are you doing? I hope you're handling the pressure well. So we are about 3 weeks away from the exams, and I just wanted to share some important tips and techniques that will help you handle this time effectively. On the WhatsApp, I've been getting this message from a lot of candidates. One common question, which basically says, Utkarsh, I have gone through the curriculum once. Most of you might have. And now I've started solving questions, and I feel as if I have not done anything and I don't remember anything. So, should I practice questions now, or should I read through the notes one more time, or should I watch video one more time? Right. So I thought I'll answer this for all of us. So I think spending a lot of time on reading now might not be a good strategy. Okay, so no matter how many times you read, you're still not going to feel confident till the time you get your hands dirty and start solving questions. So even if you feel that you don't remember much, start with questions. Maybe you can start with topic-wise questions first, and then whenever you get them wrong, go and read that particular section. That's a smarter way of teaching yourself. You would remember longer that way. Okay, so should I revise or should I solve question? For most of you, I think solving question will produce better results than again spending a lot of time on revision. So that was my first point of discussion, which is questions versus reading again. And here we're going for questions. Then the second point I wanted to discuss is that we have roughly about 20 days. So it makes sense for you to use at least 6 to 7 days out of them for taking full length mocks. Okay, so when I say full length mocks, what I mean is taking mock from morning 9 to 12 and afternoon 2 to 5. So which mocks to write? So of course you should start with the mocks which are provided to you by CFA Institute. Now in general, I've seen the level of difficulty is a little higher than what you'd see in curriculum end of the chapter questions, or maybe even the actual exams. So if you score about 55-60% in these mocks, consider that to be a decent score. Okay, so do not feel demotivated. That's not the purpose of the mocks. Then after those mocks are done, you can take the mocks which are provided by FinTree. We've already uploaded them on the portal. You can take mocks provided in the Schwezer notes. I think volume 1 and volume 2 of Schwezer's does a really good job. So you can make use of those mocks. But no, and it really doesn't matter which mocks you're practicing, as long as you're sitting in that 9 to 12 2 to 5 fashion. So please make sure you do that religiously. Once you have taken the mocks, then third thing you should be doing is try to revise about 2 to 3 subjects in a day. Okay, so figure out a smart way of revising through summaries, or if you've taken your own notes through them, or make use of juice notes. Okay, and when you revise, figure out what parts you remember well, what parts you don't. Don't spend time on stuff that you already know, right? Just revise the areas that you feel weak, and slowly from 2-3 subjects a day, make it to 4-5 subjects a day, right? So now your revision time in a day maybe is, let's say, about 2 to 3 hours. So try revising more number of subjects, and then take yourself to a level where you can revise all the 10 subjects in a few hours, right? And when I say revising all the 10 subjects, I don't mean you reading every learning outcome. That's not necessary. Just figure out the chunks in the curriculum, the areas where you're not comfortable with, revise them. I think juice notes will come in very handy in this area. So this is roughly your strategy. A quick reminder, level 1 live webinar is going to be on 1st, 2nd and 3rd June. So those candidates who have purchased the course on the portal, you would be getting an access link inside the portal itself. And level 2 live webinar is going to be on 5, 6 and 7 June. So this is Utkarsh Jain. Thank you very much.